Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at something that was suggested by a commenter on one of my other videos, and it sounded too neat not to check out. And what this is the, I'm probably going to mangle pronouncing this, KuruToga, probably KuruToga, mechanical pencil. And this is a Uni-Ball mechanical pencil, and the thing about it is what it's supposed to do is as you write with it, it's supposed to twist the lead so it keeps a sharp point on the lead. And I'm really curious to check this out, see how it works. Now let's open it up and take a look. Alright. Oh, by the way, this isn't very expensive as mechanical pencils go. I think this one was like $3 on Amazon. I'll include a link in the description if you want to check it out. And so we get a couple of extra erasers. We get a few extra lead things. I'm not sure how much lead it is. Probably enough to last for a little while. And we get a cool looking pencil. Alright, so let's check this out. So this is the Uni-Ball KuruToga. Seems like it writes pretty good. I'm trying to figure out if it's spinning, if it's twisting. I can tell you. Let me see if I can get it close enough up so you can see it. Can y'all see the tip on that? Probably not. It doesn't seem to be zooming in that close. There is, I mean, like, I'm seeing a kind of a slant to the lead. This is a test. Tell you what, it's very comfortable to write with. It's surprisingly so. And this thing's supposed to have some kind of, like, is it saying in here? Diamond infused lead. And I don't know if it's the lead that's making the difference or the fancy mechanism, but this is probably the most comfortable mechanical pencil I've ever written with. It is surprisingly pleasant to write with. Huh. This is another test. Well, I guess I could test it if I twist it myself. I don't know. Tell you what though, it is super comfortable to write with. And you got your traditional eraser thing there. So, yeah. This is a cool pen. I mean, it's very comfortable to write with. Oh, and this is the 0.5mm lead. Just FYI. So, yeah. This is really very comfortable to write with. And so I'm not sure if it's lead or if it's the pencil, but maybe it's the whole package. Anyway, this is a nice, comfortable pencil. So if you're in the market for a mechanical pencil and you want to give this a shot, it's only like, it's under $3. I think it was like $2.70 something when I ordered it on Amazon. So check it out. I'll include a link in the description. And if you have used this particular pencil and love it or hate it or have opinions about it, or if there's like another pencil I need to try, just let me know. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.